Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide birthday information in your calendar app on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Calendar. In Calendar, you want to tap on the Calendars button at the bottom here. And you want to go to the other section and tap on birthdays. So tap on the radio box to select or deselect birthdays. So if I deselect birthdays now and I tap on done, you can see on the 27th of August, the birthday information has now been removed from the event list. And if I switch on birthdays again and I tap on done to save the changes, you can see the birthday information is now displayed in the list. And if you've got more than one birthday, say you've got 2 or 3 people have the same birthday on the same date, then it will show in the event list down here. And that's it. So that's how you can show the birthday information in your calendar app on the iPhone 12 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.